to the CSC Garage. Let me ask you a question. Does your lever look like that? Is it uncomfortable when you're riding? Why don't you change it out? We've got plenty of levers, clutch levers, brake levers, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to install one on your RX4. You're going to need two simple tools, flathead screwdriver, 10mm socket. Let's get started. Okay, to remove this brake lever, the first thing we're going to do is take the lock nut off the bottom. This is a 10mm nut. We're going to take that off, and we're going to use our flathead screwdriver to remove the top bolt. And your lever's off. Now just simply slide the lever in, and then you're going to insert the bolt in the top. Before I put it all the way in though, I will put a little bit of lubrication, just some grease. I have an all-purpose grease on there. Any pivot points is always nice to grease up for smoother action down the road. And I'm going to use my flathead. And that's it, just that simple. What's nice on the RX4 model is it does have the adjustable brake lever, which puts the lever different distances away from the grip, so you can find what's more comfortable for your hand. Thanks for joining us once again at the CSC Garage. I enjoyed showing you just how easy it is to install a new brake lever for your RX4 motorcycle. All of the parts for all of our motorcycles can be found on our website, so check out the link below. And as always, enjoy the ride.